30 Names of God, What They Mean and Why They Matter. 1. Why God's Names Matter. In the Bible, names aren't just labels, they reveal identity and purpose.
Proverbs 18 verse 10, "The name of the Lord is a strong tower, the righteous run to it and are safe."
Exodus 3 verse 14, I am who I am, God's eternal, unchanging nature.
God reveals His names to show us who He is: a protector, provider, healer, shepherd, and more.
2. 10 Powerful Names of God, with meanings. Here are just 10 out of the 30 names.
Elohim, God the Creator, Genesis 1 verse 1. Yahweh, I am, self-existent God, Exodus 3 verse 14. El Shaddai, God Almighty, Genesis 17 verse 1. Jehovah Jireh, the Lord will provide, Genesis 22 verse 14. Jehovah Rapha, the Lord who heals, Exodus 15 verse 26. Jehovah Nissi, the Lord is my banner, Exodus 17 verse 15. Jehovah Shalom, the Lord is peace, Judges 6 verse 24. Jehovah Roi, the Lord is my shepherd, Psalm 23 verse 1. Abba Father, loving, personal Father, Romans 8 verse 15. Emmanuel, God with us, Matthew 1 verse 23. Each of these names is a promise and a reminder of who God is in your life. 3. How to apply God's names daily. When you feel alone, call on Emmanuel. When you need peace, pray to Jehovah Shalom. When you're in need, trust Jehovah Jireh. When you're sick, cry out to Jehovah Rapha. Praying God's name strengthens your faith and brings peace in every season. 4. Encouragement. Start your own 30-day journey by learning one name of God each day. Let each name remind you that God is enough, always has been, always will be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, the name of the Lord is your strong tower.